soundtrack ng mga musical film. Alin ang soundtrack ng mga musical film? Ready, Ryan? Yes, sir. Okay. For 150,000 pieces. Got it! Alin ang mga soundtrack ng mga musical film? I choose Red.
3, 2, 1. Your answer is...
Ay, hindi siya musical. Ayun, logical.
Okay, dinawanagin natin. Hindi po musical yung pinapanood yung nanalo ng Best Actor.
Parang tribute pa nga siya kay
Yung
Freddie Mercury.
2018.
No.
Ayun. Yeah. Okay, interviewin natin ang magaling na bata. Ay, ganito. Okay, si Marmalade Alan, ladies and gentlemen, from the 2011 jukebox romantic drama, yung Moulin Rouge.
Moulin Rouge.
By Christina Aguilera, Lil Kim.
Hey, sister.
Ayan, thank you. Okay. Yun. Ang correct yung Shallow. Yun yung Lady Gaga.
Stars Born.
Musical talaga yun. Stars Born. Bradley Cooper. Okay. Yung isa pa, yung Party in the USA from the American Musical Comedy Film Series, Pitch Perfect by Miley Cyrus. At yung Rewrite the Stars from the 2017 American Musical Drama Film, The Greatest Showman, yun, Zac Efron and Zendaya. Okay.
Sakay sila sa ano.
Pero ang tatanggapin ng panalo ay 30,000 pieces. Every day. Kasi kukunin namin ni Alan yung tig sa 10.